So once you've finished the bracelet that you're making, you can fasten off straight away, or you can taper your ends and bring them all to the centre. So to do that, you want to take your last 2 threads at one side, but then take the one on the inside and knot over the one on the outside. And then keeping those 2 threads together, you want to take your next one along and then knot that over both the threads you just used. And now you're going to hold the 3 threads and then take the next one along and do the same thing and knot over all 3. And then holding all the threads again, take the next thread along and then knot over all of them. And you're going to do this until you get to the centre. So however many threads you've got, you're just going to keep doing this until you've brought all your threads into the middle. And once you've done one side, you'll notice that it started to go diagonally and pulled your threads all into the centre. So then you want to do the exact same thing at the other side. Instead of working outside in, you're going inside out. And then you're keeping both of your threads and then doing the same, and then just carrying on until you get to the centre again. And once you've done both sides, it should look like this. So you've brought all your threads into the centre at both sides. And then you can fasten up as normal. So I'm going to braid the ends of these. And when you've done, you should end up with something that looks like this. So you can take one of your braids and thread it through your loop. And then you can use the ends to tie on your bracelet. And it should look like that.